great difference.
I'm just filming you getting your hog out. Look at it. That's a naked bike, that.
It's me Street Fighter. Oh yeah. Your piece of shit Kawasaki is in the way.
I'll cock it over. What'd you get for cocking over beavers?
That's it, yeah.
If you bought a quacker, you wouldn't have had any problems.
Oh, man, these Hondas are dead reliable, aren't they? Listen to it.
It's fine.
Cabbage. Oh yeah, flat tyre and everything.
No, it isn't.
Now I'm going to kick the stand away. Yeah.
Take it into the light. It's just a chain.
Oh, this is the model that came without a seat. Never seen that one before.
Yeah. Right then, so what are you doing today, Rich?
Today, the plan is to, remove the broken radiator fan, replace with a working radiator fan, put all the fairings back together and make sure it runs nice and cool.
Well, we're going to test it first before we put it back together. And rim tapes.
Oh. That's the one.